And I'm back with another video. So today I'll be showing y'all how I do my eyebrows. And disclaimer, no, I'm not a professional. I just do my eyebrows and they happen to look good. So first I will be using my dip brow. It's from I Envy, and this is from the hair store. I've been using this for a while, and it works good. And all my products is not high-end products. It's hair store, Dollar General, very affordable products. So first I will be going in outlining my eyebrow from top to bottom. And I'll be looking in this mirror beside me right here, just to help me. And once you outline the bottom, you're going to want to brush up and get the spots that you didn't get. Then you're going to want to outline the top. When doing your eyebrows, you have to have a steady hand, because if not, your eyebrows are going to be jacked up. But when you drawing in your eyebrows can look like trash. All you need is concealer to clean it up. The concealer is the most important part, really. So I'm just drawing in, filling in my eyebrow. And then I like to put little lines right here going up. And then I like to see how I messed up right there. I have a little piece right here. That's not going to matter once I put the concealer on. So I'm just brushing out my eyebrow and just filling in. Sometimes I like to take this part of the spoolie and erase it, kind of like this. And then when I do this, it fades it. And when you fade it, it makes your eyebrow look more natural. And you just brush it. I don't know if y'all can see. You just brush it. I'm going to line this in right here because I don't really like the arch. But yeah, to make it look more natural, you brush up and fade in. Fade in, fade in, fade in. And excuse how I look, y'all. My hair, I just took my hair out of a ponytail because it was kind of tight. And when you do your eyebrows, you need your face relaxed, because if your face not relaxed, then it's going to be jacked up. So you see how this part look missing? You're going to want to fill that in. Just outline it at the top. Like I said, do the little lines and brush up. I don't know if y'all can see. I hope y'all can. You see that? My eyebrows is super hard to do because it's like my eyebrows not even. So I have to just keep playing with it till it look natural. Alright, so I'm not going to draw it in no more, and I'm not going to play with that no more. I'm just use my brush and conceal it. And once again, all of these products I'm using is not high-end. This dip brow is from the hair store, any beauty supply store. And this brush come with it too. So now I'm using the Cream Case brush. It's called the 03 brush by the Cream Case. And I use that to outline the brow. I normally use, like, depending on the type of concealer I have, like, I normally use this when I do a full face and eyeshadow, because this is like a, I use this as like a primer and a barrier when I put the color on top of my eyelids. I normally use this and just use the brush that's inside of this. But being I'm not doing that today, I'm doing like a natural thing with no eyeshadow. I'm going to use this. My cousin gave this to me, and it happened to be my color, so I like it. And it's Lancome. Lancome is pretty expensive, but it's good. And like I said, I really don't use Lancome. This LA Pro Concealer, This not my shade. This is somebody else's shade I used when I did the makeup. But I normally use this brand. And so I'm going to just... I normally put it on my brush like this. And if it's too much, I'll dab it on my hand. And then I'll outline. So you want to start underneath, like so. And literally just outline. Cleaning it up. Now you have to have a steady hand for this part too. But you just clean it up. And y'all, I'm sorry if this tutorial is kind of patchy. Like I said, I'm not no pro at this, so. And I take this brush right here. This brush came from Walmart, in like a brush kit thing. But I love this brush because I use it to blend out the concealer under the eye. So I just tap, 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 tap like this to make it a nice texture so it don't look patchy. And I blend it out. And normally when I do my full face and I do 2 eyebrows, I blend it out this way. So when you do the other eyebrow, it can look natural. And then when you put your full face on, it'll blend right on in. And I just blend out. Blend out, blend out. Y'all, I don't know where that bump come from, but that bump been on my eye for like months now. And it don't even hurt. But yeah, I would just blend out. And you see how good that base look? Like it looks very smooth. It don't look patchy. And so normally when I do my full face, I go over my eyebrow with either the foundation I'm putting on or a darkened concealer, just to make it look natural. But like I said, since I'm just doing this tutorial, I'm not going to do all that. I'm going to just outline the top. But I'm going to show you how to do that too. So you're just going to outline the top. Like, let me put this. Let's see. Yeah, you're just going to outline the top. The top is the more hardest part. It's like the tricky part because you got to make sure. You have to make sure you outline it and not outlining. To me, outlining the top of your eyebrows is like coloring in a picture without going out the lines. And so you just smooth this top part out. And like I said, when you do the corners in the middle, I always go in front. So when you do a full face, it will blend right. And I just make my canvas smooth. And I'm going to use this brush again to blend it out. And like I said, if I had on foundation, it would blend perfectly. But being that I don't have a foundation, I'm just doing this video. So I'm only doing one eye. You can actually see the concealer. And I like to go in the front and bring the concealer in the front. And this is the moment of truth right here. So if it look like a square, I normally take my brush right here and spool it out like I did before. And make adjustments if need to. See, I always like that look, but I don't like that line to be defined under, so I just brush up. I have a bump right there, y'all. That's why that like you can really see the defined line. But I normally just brush up, like I said, and even it out. And that's that. Excuse this pimple right here. I don't know where it comes from. But yeah, that's that. That's normally how I do my eyebrows. Oh yeah, and sometimes you can use a brow gel if you would like to. Let me show you how mine look. I can't find my brow gel, but my brow gel, you normally just put it on, and you can get a clear brow gel or the color to match your eyebrows. And it's just like this spoolie, and you would just put it on there, and it keeps your brows in place, the hairs for your brows in place. But yeah, that's how I normally do my eyebrows, and that's it for this video. I'll see y'all on the next one. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, see you later.